everyone to another episode of Faith Fitness. Today I'm going to show you a standing bicycle crunch. This is a great variation to the bicycle exercise where you're laying on your back, and is really beneficial for individuals who maybe have some mobility issues, say getting onto the floor and then back up again. So if you'd like to learn how to do this variation of an abdominal exercise, stay tuned and I'll show you how. Thank you so much for tuning in today, everyone. As you saw in the introduction, today I'm going to show you another great core workout, but this time we're going to focus on individuals who might have problems with mobility. So say you're working with our active aging population, someone who's recovering from a surgery, an injured athlete, whatever it might be. It's just an individual that has trouble getting down onto the floor and then back up again. So a standing bicycle crunch is a great way to still work the abdominal cavity, but to just do a little bit more of a less impact when it comes to getting and moving around. To start off with, I'm going to bring my left knee and my right elbow together. This is also going to work balance, so be sure to have the client move in a nice controlled movement. And what I mean is don't just rush through it. They want to really focus on bringing that knee up to the elbow, engaging the core, and getting nice form. So this is just the exercise right here. And if your client has trouble with that, just have them slow down. If they need to brace themselves against a wall, just while they're kind of getting the hang of things, that's fine as well. This is, like I said, a great exercise that can be modified in an infinite number of ways to better meet the client's need. So again, we're just going to bring it down, and just make sure the abs are nice and tight the entire time. And there you have it, everyone. The standing bicycle crunch. If you have any questions, please leave those in the comments down below. Otherwise, I will see you next week for another Faith Fitness video. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today, everyone. I really appreciate the views and the support and the community that we're forming here on my channel. If you would like to watch another great video, please click on either side of the screen here to watch either a popular upload or one of my most recent videos that I've uploaded. And as always, if you have questions, please leave them in the comments down below of any video. I check this channel very often and try to stay up to date on everything. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all of my new content. So again, thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure getting to know all of you, and I hope to interact with more of you in the future. Until then, bye guys.